coconut. 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 Coconut means nariyal. This is a coconut. Avocado. AVOCADO. Avocado means avocado. This is a avocado. Kiwi. 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 Kiwi means kiwi. This is a kiwi. Peach. 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 Peach means aru. This is a peach. Cherry. 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 Cherry means cherry. This is a cherry. Pear. 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 Pear means naspati. This is a pear. Grapes. 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 Grapes means angur. This is a grapes. Mango. 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 Mango means am. This is a mango. Banana. 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 Banana means kela. This is a banana. Apple. 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 Apple means seb. This is a apple. Orange. 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 Orange means santra. This is a orange. Watermelon. 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 Watermelon means tarbooj. This is a watermelon.